today's video we're going to be doing what's inside of a box. Ollie is going to place the item in first, so I'm going to move the box over here. So I'm going to have to turn around like this, cover my eyes up so I can't see. And Ollie's going to place the item. He's going to show you guys first and then put the item in the box. So then I can turn around.
Done it.
Okay. Right. It's like a drill.
Yes.
It's a drill thing. Alright, so that is already one to me. That can just go over there. Right, turn around.
Yo, please tell them what does.
I'm gonna go for, guys. I'm gonna go for quite a hard one. No, turn around. I know you're looking. So it is this. So yeah, let's get it in. Like you can, you know whatever your business is. I wonder if he's gonna get this, guys. Do you reckon he is?
That bracelet thing that I brought with you, and it's that zip, and it's got the zip in it.
Yeah. Okay, it is now my turn. I'm gonna look away over here.
Nah.
I'm in the corner. I cannot see anything.
Hang on.
Right, I cannot see.
It's a bar. It's a bit of a bar. Right. Not yet, because I'm gonna.
What are you doing?
Now you can turn around.
Huh?
Now you can turn around.
Okay. Is it gonna be hard?
I don't know.
Oh. It's a shin.
No.
Yeah?
No.
It's a shin.
No, it's not.
No, it's a bit what I've got off my Phoenix bar. Yeah, so that is, if you've seen my Phoenix bar, that is the bit that we cut off it to make it small for me. So I'm quite small, as everyone knows. Right, so turn back around, Oliver.
I'm going to Jackie. Oh, wait, no, copyright that one.
Yeah. So guys, this is the item. You know what it is, and yeah. Right, and yeah. Right, then turn around. Is he gonna get this? Let's find out. What is in the box?
You're a camp. I don't know.
Oh.
Silly.
Well, that was fairly easy. Right, so it is now time for me to turn around. Doing my special bit of corner.
Yep.
Can I turn around?
Yep. Yeah.
And as always, guys, don't forget to smash the like button and press subscribe and join the notification squad. That helps us so much. And if you like these type of videos, don't forget to leave a like, as I just said. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get on. Oh. It's like, yeah, like you have to like you know those things that you got on a badge to put it through top? Yeah, it's one of them. Right, turn around. I'll stuff this up now, so.
No! That was.
If you want, I'll get Cody too.
Wait, you would look at that one.
Yeah. So you all probably know what this is. It's like awesome. I don't know. If you're a girl, you'll definitely know what it is. Ollie, you may turn around.
Oh, it's a tampon.
Oh, actually, we actually do have those. Wait there, guys.
Oh, wow.
What?
It's an.
You saw it.
Yeah, I know what it is. It's a tweezer thing.
Yeah.
Not. What's in that box? Bunks. Jack. For God's sake. Getting his boy down on one knee. They all know mine. They know mine. I'm just showing them quickly. Jack! Come on!
Right there a minute. Ooh. Oh! Yeah! No one's ever gonna know. Okay, is the item in the box?
No. I'm gonna do that.
Is it?
Yep.
Okay. Right, do you reckon I'll get this? You're kidding me.
What?
It's a trick dice. Yeah. It's a trick dice.
I think my other two are really quite
Right,
easy.
turn around.
Look at them.
Guys, that is my next item. You'll probably know what that is. Right, go.
Alexi.
You like it, you do.
What?
No, you're looking through the box.
Dude, don't even know what's in there. Oh, tape measure. Jack, you're so bad.
Oh, you, I've got all of yours so far. Oh, do you know, guys, we are definitely going to
Jack.
do this again. This is fun. Can I
Jack.
go?
Yeah.
Don't stab me, please. Is that's a train.
Yeah.
Stop my stank engine. Wait.
That needs to go into
I
your.
feel like my other ones are going to be like really easy. Hang on a minute, guys. Don't know. I feel like that was going to be quite easy. Right, go.
Nah, they're quite easy.
I thought that was going to be smart about it, but I know I'm going to get it straight.
That's dumb, it's a medal. Nah, my last one.
Oh yeah, it's the last one, isn't it? Oh no, my next one's going to get proper easy.
It's a dust
You said dildo.
No. Yeah.
Okay, guys.
This one's gonna be well easy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can't find it. Oh.
Oh no.
I feel like it's got a fanny. Is it a head? Okay. Oh man.
It is quite hot. Oh no, I think it's quite easy.
Guys, I really do not know what this is. Oh.
Ask me if you want a hint.
Yeah, give us a hint.
It's a thing off Jack.
No, it's off Rowan, isn't it?
No.
It's a dust cap.
That was off Jack. The dust cap, yeah.
No, it's off Rowan.
It wasn't. It was off Jack because you bought two for a quid.
Oh yeah, it's a dust cap, guys. I stole dust cap. For a minute, I actually thought it out of funny.
You
I'm gonna put these on my bike, actually. You know.
What?
Guys, comment down below if you think I should put these two dust was two, but I don't know how the other one is.
Upstairs in your room.
Yeah, it's
There's no point bringing two down because you would have guessed it probably quicker.
yeah. So comment down below if you think I should put that on my Matthew bike, and if you want to see me
No, don't put it on your Mafia bike. Put it on
on mountain bike. Yeah,
because then if you do get your mountain bike up and running, then yeah.
I do have my mountain bike up and running.
No, your Mafia bike. I mean.
Yeah, so if you comment down below, comment if you want to see me put that on my bike, or comment down which bike as well.
No, because his mountain bike, his Mafia bike's broken at the minute. There's
Yeah.
no chain.
I actually might choose a new one, you know. Sounds proper easy, it's there. It's that. Guys, it was that. I don't even know why I chose that.
Can you remember when you balanced it in it?
Yeah. Alright, so put your face down now. I'm going to choose a new one real quick.
Well, I guess Jack's easy.
Yeah. Right, turn round.
Stop, dude. Seems sad, dude.
So guys, this is perfect. If you know what that is. You're not going to get it so long. Well, I hope not anyway, because you're quite good at this, aren't you?
I feel like this is going to be quite easy. What the hell's that? Oh, it's off the Hoover.
Oh.
What Hoover did get it off?
I don't know.
He used to Hoover up. He likes Hoover up.
Alright, so that is going to be the end of this video. Hope you all enjoyed. And if you did, smash a like button in the face. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. And also subscribe and join the notification squad. So that is going to be the end of that video.